So first is the 4 external components: the typing keyboard to allow you to input letters into the system and can also be used as a MIDI keyboard if you don't have one. The mouse, which allows you to click on things on the screen. The MIDI keyboard, which allows you to input notes into Logic or other software. And the audio interface, which allows you to input audio devices such as microphones or guitars. We also have to connect the Ethernet cable, which allows you to connect to the internet or the college server to save work. Before the system can be turned on, you have to make sure the microphones are plugged in so that there's no power surge. This type of microphone does not require phantom power, so we have to make sure that button is not pressed on. The audio interface converts analog signal from the microphone into digital signal, which can be put onto Logic. Once the system is turned on, we can open Logic and start an empty project. The first thing we're going to input is an audio track, which would come from our microphone, which is plugged into our audio interface. We need to make sure it's set to input 1, which is the input with the microphone plugged in. We're going to select input monitoring and record enable so that we can hear it and create. We're also going to choose somewhere to save the audio files that are created, so I will choose my own folder, which is around here somewhere. Before we can hear anything that is being input, we need to make sure that the audio is set to come out of the right place. So for that we go to Preferences, Audio, and then we choose the output as Scarlett Studio, which in this case is the audio interface with the headphones plugged in. If they'd been plugged into the back of the computer, I would have used built-in output. To make sure that sound is being received, we can see by the volume meters at the bottom left that sound is being inputted when I speak into the microphone. When I hit record, this should record sound from the microphone. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sound is being recorded from the microphone into Logic. To add a new track allowing us to record from our MIDI keyboard, we'll click the New Track button, we'll select a software instrument, and then click Create. We'll then click Record, Enable, to be able to hear it, and when we press the keys, we can hear the signal on the bottom left and see the signal coming in. When we hit Record, this should record from the MIDI keyboard, as so.